Hello and welcome to Grok Trade. My name is Jerry Usher, graduate student of the mentoring program, and today is Wednesday, February 9th, 2011. Alright, we're starting off today looking at the S&P 500, and you can see here that we made a lower high and a lower low. We also have a bearish harami. The body is within the previous day's body. We have a bearish candlestick. Could this be the start of a down leg? Good possibility. We also have a turnover here on the MACD, a negative tick to the downside. So things are looking a lot less bullish than they have in previous days. So keep your eye on that. All right, let's go ahead to the vNewsletter stock report and our bull stock that we have been tracking here now for a few days, actually about probably 3 weeks now. When we started talking about FOSL, it looked like this. It was in a bear flag. We had an up leg here. If I shrink this down, you can see we had an up leg, only to consolidate and slowly, we slowly made lower highs and lower lows. So that's the definition of bear flag. If you're not sure of that, make sure you check out the chart school at the Grok homepage. And a couple days we're watching this, and we thought it was going to break out, and then it kind of hung off at the bottom there, and then we started coming up, and we hit the top of the flag here. We were waiting for a breakout, and there it was, and that happened in February, beginning of February, so about 2 weeks ago now, week and a half or so. Okay, we had some resistance. It held there. Next day broke through that resistance. That's when I was entered into the trade myself. And just to continue to go up, we had a hanging man here, and I thought that that was it. I thought maybe we'd have a slight pullback. I tightened up my stop, only to get a nice bullish day yesterday. Very liking that candle a lot, and then today, yet another bullish candle. Now, if you looked at the broad markets, and hopefully you did, because you definitely want to look at those first before doing any kind of trades on any other stocks. Most of the broad markets are having bearish signals. They have bearish reversal candles. FOSL still not. A pretty strong day. I would love it if tomorrow the markets start going down, if we can just get one more higher high and slightly higher low here, a little doji type candlestick, that would be wonderful. You're going to want to move your stocks up, your stops. Adjust them accordingly. Because of the pressure on the markets, I'm going to put my stop pretty close to the bottom of this candlestick. I want to protect the profits that I already have, but this is just awesome. Great trade when they work out like this. Get yourself mentored, and you can find more trades like these for sure. Definitely. Alright, let's go ahead and look at our bear stock. Now, our bear stock is LFC. It's China Life Insurance. And if you're wondering why these candlesticks are spaced out, it's because this stock trades over in the Asian markets, of course, while our markets are closed. So while we're sleeping, some of us are sleeping here, the Asian markets are open, so this is trading. And by the time the clock turned around for the U.S. markets to open, this stock was already down. So it opened gap down because of the trading overnight over in the Asian markets. So we were talking yesterday about this line. That was a possible entry if we had a close down below that. Obviously we closed down below that today. Look where we stopped. We stopped right at this blue support line that I had drawn in yesterday, and that was from previous swing here back in September. Okay, it's great. Really amazing how these support and resistance lines work out. It's just really, really cool. Got to learn how to draw them. That's the first step of becoming a more profitable trader. Good news, we broke this this support line of the of this trend line that we had coming down from the two previous swings. So we have some damage here. If you missed this trade, the markets are looking weak now. You might want to consider getting in down here. Now, it is the second day on a breakdown, so you're arriving a little bit late here. But we do have a pretty good, decent area potential here for this stock to continue to go down, especially if we get a couple days now in the broad markets of a correction. This guy could really really head down. So this is still a possibility. Nice volume today on the breakdown. That's what you want to see. So there's a good possibility of this stock continuing to go down. Again, though, you want to wait for confirmation. So if you're not in it already, you're going to want to put an entry down below the close here. Now, we learned a certain fractional amount below candlesticks. If you want to learn that information, definitely send an email to Des and think about taking those. The 101 courses are free. The 201 courses are the next level. And then once you're ready for mentoring, you can go ahead and find out the secrets of placing entries there. So there you go. Things are looking really good now. I'm happy with my longs, tightening up my stops, expecting to probably get stopped out of them tomorrow, which I'm happy with because they have all been profitable. And now this one's shaping up to be a good short on the downside. So I hope you're doing well also. Hope you all have a great day tomorrow, Thursday trading, and I'll be talking to you again tomorrow night. Take care, everybody.